All right, type in a 1 if you got a chance to play Tesla today. Oh, man. What a beautiful gap Tesla was. We talked about this one in depth yesterday, and I mentioned that. And the funny thing is, this all happened pre-market. All happened pre-market, which sucks, for those who want to trade it. But anyway, happened right at a massive, massive resistance, and this gap, in my personal opinion, makes tons of sense. Tons of sense, all right? Because it just happened to this. I mean, look at this resistance on Tesla. And true story, I had a buddy who texted me and he goes, I just couldn't wait anymore. I had to buy Tesla. And I just wrote back to him, okay. So you're at the resistance, 280, same price. We've failed numerous times before. Does this mean that Tesla's going to go back to 180 bucks? Maybe, but probably not. Probably not. Again, if you want to have the best idea of what it's going to do, let's research this time frame over here, right? So it came into the resistance, big bearish candle, then you retraced, and then you trade lower, then you retrace, and you really trade lower. So bottom line, let's look for this little move right here, and then look to short Tesla. Buying puts, getting into bear call spreads. There are some traders who have covered calls, and those $300 covered calls will expire worthless next Friday. Great volume, beautiful retest gap. Here's the 5-minute chart on Tesla. And so again, if you're playing it as a retest, wait for the retest, right? I mean, it is a retest gap. So the first 5-minute candle, giant bearish candle. Second white candle, cute little white candle. So there's a few traders who played it like this, shorted it below the white candle, traded up, it retested, which they expected, and then rolled over, so they moved their stop down to here. And then that trader exited as it traded back down to those lows for about an hour. So it wasn't bad. I don't know any trader who took the break of this support right here. But if you did, you get a gold medal. Congratulations. Again, it was a beautiful, beautiful retest gap. And we talked about it yesterday. It just did not quite gap high enough. So here's kind of that pre-market, and it just started slowly rolling over. We stopped looking at it right about here yesterday. And again, when it broke the low of yesterday, that's when it was on like Donkey Kong. So anyway, Tesla, good move. So what to expect now? Well, my friends, it is a retest gap. Let's come back over here to the daily chart and figure out what Tesla did last time it was up at this level. Now, I will say I don't expect this going to do this exactly, but prepare for something like this on Tesla, right? So you got this an actual retest gap right here that did not trade to the 50. It was between the 50 and the 20. And then it traded higher and then eventually ended up rolling over. So in short, watch it tomorrow. And if it shows some bullishness tomorrow, play it bullish for the next 2 weeks. Okay, so if it shows some bullishness tomorrow, so let me kind of come back. I know that sounds crazy. I know you're probably thinking, man, I thought Jeremy would be really bearish after this gap. I am a little bit bearish, but if it shows bearishness tomorrow, right? Bottom line is if it makes a lower low and a lower high tomorrow, I'll be looking a little bit bearish. Last time it traded off of this resistance, it did not make a lower low. So that's going to be my line in the sand. So let me go ahead and just kind of write that in. That's going to be my dictator between how I plan this. If Tesla makes a lower low tomorrow, I'll be more bearish into the 50 EMA. However, if it doesn't, let's look to play it a tad bullish as it fills the gap. Maybe those gap retests the neckline. The neckline! The neckline of a tube. So there's the double top. There's the neckline right there at about 263. Let me go back over here and see if the last time it formed a double top. I think it did. No, not quite. Well, actually, yeah, it did. So there's kind of the double top right there. It did retest it. It gave a great trapping candle. Oh, that would have been dirty. Man, that candle trapped some people. That's why it ran up so far. Okay, it'll take some time, but let's have fun with Tesla. It's going to be a good time. All right, so if it makes a lower low, we'll figure it out. Neil says the March 31st, 215 Facebook put. You mean Tesla put? March? That's interesting. 215. That's pretty far down there. March 31st. It might be because it's after hours. Some of the premium might be inflated. But let's watch it. I mean, I'm with you, Niels. Down here somewhere? Sure. I'm game to buy again. Bull put spread, put sale, something like that. $1.28 is a pretty good premium. So, yeah. Let's watch this close. Tesla's going to be fun. Let's get ready for bear call spreads, puts. Let's watch it very closely tomorrow, see if it makes a lower low. There's a chance that if you're trading with me tomorrow in the Friday room, there is a chance that we're going to look at Tesla. So you're telling me there's a chance? Oh, yeah. I'm